How to install Homacer 96 inches high barn door. Please open up your installation manual to page 2. Please identify door panels and check panel quantities according to your door size. If you are missing any panel or see any damages, please contact our customer support for replacement pieces. You can find our info at the back of the manual. You can take out all pieces from the package and lay them flat on the floor for easier identification purposes. First, let's identify all the door panels in the package. Bottom A panel has one flat side and one groove side. It also has a pre-routed groove at the bottom. Top A panel has one flat side and one groove side. B3 panel is the bottom of the door with two grooves, shallower one for bottom guide, deeper one for door assembly. B2 panel is the middle of the door with two grooves of the same depth. B1 panel is the top of the door with a flat top side and a grooved bottom side. C3 panel has one flat side and one grooved side. C2 panels have one groove side and one tongue side. C1 panel has one flat side and one tongue side. Once all panels are identified, we are ready to assemble the door together. Step 1. See Manual page 3 top. Connect the bottom A panel to the top A panel, creating a 96 inches tall side frame. Before assembly, please confirm your A panels have 4 white foam dowels in each panel. These foam dowels help minimize gaps in between the C panels. Find a sturdy backing to support the installation, for example, a wall. Place the panels flat on the ground with the flat side facing you. Use the corner boards provided in the box to prevent denting the wood. With a rubber mallet, please do not use metal hammers. Slowly hammer the top panel into the bottom panel until they fit snug. Repeat this step for the other bottom A and top A panels. Step 2. See Manual page 3 bottom. Insert the B panels into the long A panel. Position the assembled A panel on the floor with grooves upwards. Take B2 and insert its tongue into the middle groove slot. You can use a rubber mallet to gently hammer it in if you face slight resistance. Then insert B3 into the bottom groove slot. Please make sure the pre-routed groove matches the bottom A's groove. Finally, insert B1 into the top groove slot. Step 3. See Manual page 4 top. Insert all C1, C2, C3 panels into the door. Slot in the C1 panel first. Make sure the flat side goes in the A groove. Slot all C2 panels in order, fitting tongue and groove. Finally, slot the C3 panel in with the flat side facing up. Repeat this step for the other half of the door, and it should look like this. Step 4. See Manual page 4 bottom. Secure the door in with the last A panel. Bring the A panel on top. Ensure its grooves fit with B panel's tongues. You can use a rubber mallet to gently hammer it in with a corner board. Finally, we can secure the entire door with screws and wooden dowels. Use the long screws provided and drill them into the pilot holes on the door. Repeat this for the other side of the door. Finally, fill the holes with the wooden dowels provided in the kit. Repeat this for the other side of the door. Final assembly check. Once all components are securely assembled, your door should look like this. Take a moment to make sure everything is properly aligned and securely in place. The assembly for the H-Design door is complete. If you purchased other door designs with decorative panels, single X, double X, and K design, please refer to page 5 and 6 of Installation Manual for detailed steps. Installation complete. Thank you for choosing Homacer. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Happy installing!